Okay, there are n slimes on a line where slime I is at position AI. On the line, you will perform the following operation some number of time. Select an integer x, then for each j, if aj greater than x, then less than, then plus, greater than, minus, do nothing. Determine the minimum number of operations to make all slime uh, occupy the same position. Okay, so select any integer x. So I can select anything. So let's select 3. So am I correct? Yeah, I'm correct. Is the line sorted? No, it's not sorted. Actually, I have to check a thing. Yeah, it makes sense. So 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4. So 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 5 by 2 equal to is 2. Should get that value. Difference is 2. Difference is 1. Difference 2. So what's the problem? Yeah, it makes sense. Well, I'm seeing doing 0 indexed. Okay, which one didn't match? Okay, expected 3. 1 to number 3 line. 3 this one. 1 2 3 5 6 7. Okay. Okay. The difference is 4. The difference is again 4 and same, but the answer is 3 somehow. move 3 times. Okay, it can go to 4. It does make sense. Musical trees. 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. So mate can be 5 by 2 is 5 by 2 is what? 5 by 2 is 2 and 6 by 2 is 3. Last those to the match. One, 10, 1, 1, 1, 10, 10, 10. Really, I'm struggling with the fast problem. Made is 9, so answer is 9, but I'm getting okay, answer is 5, but I'm getting 9. Actually, I should get something between max and mean, I guess. Max and mean. Max and mean, something between max and mean. Yeah. Such a waste of time. Okay, you find yourself with two array of positive integer a and b, both of length 1. You are to perform the following operation a number of time. Select an integer I and swap ai with bi. Determine the minimum value of max of. Determine the minimum value of max of summation of 1 to n bi. Max a plus summation of bi at attainable if you perform the operation optimally. Okay, so actually what that means, test case 3 1 2 3, this one. So the answer is max is of course max plus 4 by 6 equals to 18. It can be proven that okay, I got the point. So following operation any number of time. Okay, so I have to multiply a value adding and adding all of them. That's the main goal. No, I'm not multiplying, I'm just adding all of them. Okay, so let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. B is always maximized no matter what. Yeah, it's is it really that simple? Problem B shouldn't be that simple. Normally I go wrong when I think the question is too simple, because normally they are not that simple. C1. Okay, you have an array of length n which consists of non-zeros integer. You will perform the following operation at most n time. Select an index I such that, okay, then for each j where uh, select an index I, okay, for each j where 1 to I do just aj minus equal to aj minus. Output a varied sequence of operation of length at most n which minimize the sum of a at the end. What does it means? I'm making it 0. For each j, okay, let's see the test case actually. K, the number of operation you will perform. Now output k integer b1 bk in the index to perform the ith operation. Okay, the first line of test case n, the second line. Okay, okay. Let's see, test is 2 minus 1 minus 2 3 minus 5 4. Okay, in the test case I equal to 3, this value 1 2 minus 3. How? It said then for each j where j less than I do ai aj minus, I'm just negating the value actually. Okay, if I have a negative value it becomes 0, I guess. becomes 1 somehow. Oh, I'm okay. Becomes a negative value actually. Yeah. Okay, I got the point of what it meant. Then I got 5. Okay, got the point. What the question wants for me. Okay. Max negative is my goal. 1, 2, 5 values. Okay. Out of 5, I have at the last time I want to do something. Okay, last one is positive, so I'll try to make them positive. Plus if I make some operation here, I can gain 1. If so, I'll make some operation here. Okay, one option is minus minus. I'm gonna make it minus, so all are minus and I got a plus and those are minus, so I'll do operation up to here, up to 2, so it will gonna be 1, 2, 3. I got another minus, so I'll make it everything minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then minus 5, then I got a positive value. I'll do another operation and it becomes that, but there is a limitation. I can do at most k operation, n operation. Will there ever be an operation? Let's see a worst case situation. Plus, let's say plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, I'll do one operation here, one operation to make it minus, then another operation to make it plus, then another operation to make it minus, another operation here, another operation on 5, another operation 6, and another operation on 7. Actually there will never be more than an operation, so yeah. So what I have to output after performing operation, sum of the minimal, sum of and minimize the sum of okay, I have to minimize the answer. Yeah, it just looks good. So I have to output number of k, then operation after. Okay, so I don't have to output the actual answer. Let it be. if both are positive, then return 0. If both are negative, return 0. Yeah. If so 0 are those index. I got, yeah, those are index. So in the test case 2 I got 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. In test case 2, minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 5, 4. Okay, so I got 2. Yeah, I got 2. For 2 I got 1, 2, then 3, then I got 3 for 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then I got 4, 4 I got 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, then I got 5, so everything is switching again. Yeah, makes sense. And for 1 I got 1, 4. Yeah. I don't get it. Is this contest too easy or something else is going on? Wrong answer on test is 1. Really? Wrong answer index operation is on negative. Wrong answer index operation on is negative test case 2. What does it mean? Minimize the sum of a at the end. The answer is 3542. 3542. Minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 5, 4. Answer is 3542. Index then for each. Yeah. Wrong answer index operated on is negative test case 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And answer is 3542. If I switch to 3, it becomes plus 1. Yeah, it's same. You have an array of n which is considered non-zero integer. You will perform the following operation at most n times. Select an index I such that ai greater than 0. I cannot select any negative values. I just missed the whole point, actually, whole point of the question. That's why it feels so easy. Okay, so I can only choose the positive values. Okay, let's say I'm choosing that. They becomes positive, positive and negative, and uh, yeah. Then let's say I choose this one, becomes negative, negative. I got negative. Then I choose nothing. I choose again positive. So 4 becomes negative, and I should, yeah, it should work in this way. I don't need this stuff anymore. Also don't need this one. Okay. If r of I greater than 0, and values are always non-zero. Okay. If greater than 0, answer dot push back I plus 1 if I greater than 0, answer dot push back I. Yeah, it should work. So I got 3254. -1, -2, 3, -5, 4. I got 3254. So 3. I'm switching this minus. It becomes 1, 2, -3, minus, yeah. Then 2. I'm switching this one. Oh, I shouldn't check actually. It's obvious. It will work. Yeah, it's obvious. Wrong. Wrong answer. Integer parameter equation to 7 value range 4. Wrong answer. Integer parameter 7. Okay, it doesn't have 7th index, but it printed that. Yeah, why did it do that? 5, 7, 10, 19. It does make sense. minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 5, 4. Okay, so I got okay, and got 3. For 3 I got just 3 and 5. Then I got okay, then 5, 5. Right output at 2. It should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If last much count plus plus, else if count it got okay, it will got 0. Makes sense. Got 3, then got 2. Yeah, good. Then got 5, then 4. Yeah, that's correct. 3 to 5, 4, 1, 4, 0. For 1, 4 I got, yeah. Now it should work. I'm comfortable enough. Yeah, it will pass. Okay, this is the hard version of the problem. The difference between the version is that this version you must maximize the sum of sum. You can okay, I have to maximize. Isn't it the same stuff, just in opposite direction? I'll just do a opposite thing. I don't need this thing. Just, is there any limitation of operation? No, there isn't. I'm assuming everything is already negative. Let's check one test case. This one, let's see, third number one. So 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 10. Okay, I'm doing okay. There's another thing, it has to be greater than 0. Okay, problem isn't same. Okay, problem isn't same. If I get say a value greater than 0, I can switch this one, it becomes negative. Okay, I can make every single value negative. One option is make every single value 1 positive by doing that operation. Okay, let me rethink. It's not that simple actually. those values are good values for me, I can switch them up or not switch them up. If I switch them, okay, if I switch something from back, I will active those values. If I switch any last values, those are not redeemable anymore. I cannot use them anymore. Those are gone forever. Okay, let's say I've switched this one. I have one value left, one option. Switch. By switching them, I got them added. So it's negative. Or let's say I don't switch. Stays negative. Now I switch. Positive. It becomes negative. It becomes negative. This stays the same. So actual answer is, I guess, number of negative values and number of positive values. If I switch something, let's say there's the negative value minus 4, yeah, minus 4, and positive value is 2. If I switch, then it will be 4 and 2. Okay, minus 2. Yeah, then I go minus 1, so adding it to minus 3, then 10 plus 14 is the answer for this one. Discuss 3, 11 is answer. Discuss 3, 11 is answer. How? Oh, it was positive actually, yeah. That was my bad. So 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 10. Okay, so if I got 1 and 0, minus 0, obviously 1 is good. Then minus 3 and 1, then I got 3 and minus 3, doing nothing is good. Then I got minus 4 and 3, then I got 12 and minus, okay, let me 3, yeah, answer is 11. It's saying 3 and 10, then I got 10, I got 30 and minus 4. That is good. Yeah, not doing anything is good. 30. Test case. In the third test case, operations are made as follows. This has some 11, but I can see some. Okay, yeah, I also have to add those negative values actually, but I'm getting minus 9 only. One 3, Did I miscalculated something? 1 and minus 3. 3 both are same now. Yeah, I can see 9. Oh, here's one switch. Here's one switch. Okay. 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 10. If I switch answer is, if I don't switch, answer is 1. If I switch, answer is minus 1. Okay. Then for minus 3, I have no option to switch, so answer is minus 2, and here is answer is minus 4. So I got minus 4. Yeah. Then I got 2. If I switch, if I don't switch, it will gonna be, I have to take the max, it will gonna be 0. And if I switch, minus 6. Okay, I'm getting confused. So where should I take the values from? If I switch, I'll take it from the positive one actually, and if I don't switch, I'll also take from the positive one. If I switch, it becomes positive and that becomes negative. That's the whole difference actually. Okay. So I don't switch. Obviously I'll take from here. Okay. Yeah. Minus 2, minus 4. That was correct. Let's say I don't switch, so 0, and I switch, so negative 2 becomes positive 2, also 0, and I can't do anything, so minus 1, minus 1. Then I switch. I don't switch, it becomes 9. Because something weird is going on. One minus 3, 2 minus 1, 10. I have a lot of time left, so just think carefully. Actually, what will happen if I switch? Let's say I have two values. One is max negative, one is max positive. If I don't switch, do not do anything, both stays same actually. If I do not do anything, just the value just gets added. Okay, if I do something, this max becomes negative and this max becomes positive. If I do switch, yeah, okay, let's say 1, I switch, I don't switch, sorry, I don't switch, I switch. I have nothing to do here, so -2 and -4. Yeah, now I have option, I switch or don't switch. I want the positive max, so by switching I'll not switching, I'll get 0. By switching I'll get 2. Okay, now if I want max, minimum max, if I switch I'll get 0. If I don't switch I'll get -2. So not switching is good. Also getting from here, so -1, I have nothing to do, so it becomes 1 and it becomes -3. If I switch, it becomes, if I don't switch, it becomes 11. If I switch, it becomes -9. Yeah, so I'll go to the max value and try to backtrack it from where I'll get 3 by switching or not switching. My goal is 11. 11 comes from here by doing nothing. Then from here, 1 comes from this point. So my operations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 does nothing. Okay, do nothing. 0. Then from here, does do nothing. From there, I got +2. +2 from where? If I see not switching part, if not switching, I see not switching, it gives me minus, not switching is -2, 0 and -4, so it doesn't match. By switching it does match, so 1. I'll go to this one in which value it matches and go to the front. It matches by switching 0, 0. Yeah. It's a DP question, rather nice one actually, nice DP question. Surely I need 2 DP. Okay, I just need max and min. There are a lot of options. If I switch, oh yeah, so I think this was the example. Yeah, I did something wrong. 1 minus 1, then it got 4 somehow. 4 minus 4 is correct, but 4 isn't correct actually. So let's see. dpi minus 1 plus air of I. Yeah, minus 1 into dpi minus 1 plus air of I. Yeah, dpi minus 1, dp2i minus 1, and where from it got 4. It's 0, 0 plus minus 3 equal to minus 3. Minus 3 into, oh no, it's 1 actually. 1 plus minus 3 negative. 1 plus negative is plus 2. I got minus 2 here. Yeah, minus 2. 1 plus minus 3. Okay, my mistake. F I get up to 0. Else dp1 I equal to dpi minus 1 plus f got it. So let's go to the next step. Long notes here in current equal to n. Current is of course n. Current equal to 1. Okay. Let's make it bool. If equal to 1. Okay. If fi greater than 0, if dp1 I minus 1, I minus 1 plus r of I equal to dp1 I dp1 I, then current equal to still 1. Current doesn't change. Answer dot push back I else if dp2 I minus 1 plus r of I equal to the dp1 I equal to 0. Answer dot push back I. Okay. Else. Okay, I'm not changing anything actually. Yeah, I'm not changing anything actually. So this line is useless, sort of useless. If it takes from the previous one, current just changes, yeah. And else if dp1 I minus 1 plus r of I equal to minus 1 into dp1 I. Current stays same, but answer the pushback I. Else if dp2 I minus 1 plus r of I equal to minus 1 into dp1 I. Same stuff, just current just current equal to 0. Answer dot pushback I. So what I covered, if this value comes from the if the value comes from here, I'm changing the operation, And if I'm switching, and then yeah, I think that's correct. And this operation isn't needed here actually. Now I'm at 0. If GP1 and current value equal to 2, then it becomes 1. If I'm at this position and I'm adding with this one, it becomes 1. Yeah, and no switching actually. Yep. Okay, it's risky for okay. So I got if those are greater than 0, else I'm actually doing nothing, else current stays the same actually. Yep, else current stays the same. Else again greater than 0. If I'm taking from dp1, if I'm taking from dp previous one, first one, then it becomes 1, and I'm having no switch, I guess. I'm at the negative side. I'm just adding it. Yeah, that's correct. Then if I'm doing a switch operation, this kind of, then inserting that, if doing this kind of switch, inserting that, and it becomes it should become 1, I equal to 1, and it stays 0. Since I'm doing just one operation, so from here, where from I get that from here, so no operation needed. From here I'm getting then operation needed. From here I'm getting from this position, so operation is needed. Yeah, operation is needed. Then for minus this value for position 1, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Cout crn space I. Okay, current equal to 1 at position 5. Yep. Then current equal to 1. Yep. Current equal to 0. 0 at position 2. Current equal to 0 at position 3. Yeah, it becomes 0 here, then 0 again. What's going on? Okay. At position 3, I got 1 at first because I was here, then it updated to 0, then position 2 it becomes 0 and stays 0. Position 1, at position 1 it was 0, then it becomes 1. It was 0, it becomes 1. But it's not pushing anything. Okay, I've put in 1 here. It should be 2. Yeah, now it should work. Three, 1. Nice. So let's check. 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 10. I'm doing first operation at 1, so minus 1, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 10. Then I'm doing operation here, so 1, 3 minus 2 minus 1, 10. So sum becomes 4, 2, 2, 1, 11. Yeah. One, 4. Last value is 2. Two, 1, 2 bytes. Since there's a missing part. 6, 2, 1, 4. 2 minus 10 minus 11, 3 minus 10, 15, 7, 18, something. Okay, I'm doing 1, 4. Yeah, so do a minus 2, then I'm doing 4 here, so all of them becomes plus. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should I just try? The test is 5. 74. Yeah, it does make sense. Let's try. Let's submit and see what happens. Getting not wrong. Just better solution for case 5. Yeah, last one. I should have checked it a little bit more. Test 5. Answer was 74. Minus 2, minus 10, minus 11, 3, minus 10, 15, 7, 18, 16, 17, minus 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have to drink some water. Yep. Okay. Given operations are six, 3, 1, 5, 4, 7. Okay. Six. It becomes. Okay, let's rewrite again. 2 minus 10 minus 11, 3 minus 10, 15, 7, 18, 16, 17, minus 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. First operation is 6. So minus 2, 10, 11, minus 3, 10, minus 15. And second operation is 3. So 2, 10, 2 minus 10, minus 11, and those stay same, then 1. So minus 2, then up to 5. Plus 2, plus 10, plus 11, plus 3, minus 10, then up to 4. Minus 2, minus 10, minus 11, minus 3, then up to 7. 2, 10, 11, 3, 10, 15, minus 7. 18, 16, 17, minus 9. Okay. So 2 plus 10 plus 11 plus 3 plus 10 plus 15 plus minus 7 plus 18 plus 16 plus 17 minus 9. 86. Answer is 86, but I got 74. So obviously my DP is fully incorrect. $3,000. That's really bad. Okay. So my DB is incorrect. 6315471. Doing 1 is impossible. I have to maximize the answer. I can sacrifice any single value, I guess. And those are stuck. Two minus 10 minus 11, 3 minus 10, 15, 17, 18, dot 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 minus 9. Let's say I wanna sacrifice this value. By sacrificing that, I'll get the maximum sum from here. Let's say absolute 3, so minus 2. Sorry, yeah, minus 2. I got 2, so minus 2, minus 10, minus 11, and got 3. Two, 10, 11, minus 3. Okay, no. Minus 15, but 10, plus 10, minus 3, plus 11, plus 10, minus 2. Wanna make it negative, so negative 10, then positive, yeah, got it. Then I got 7, and to sacrifice it, that's done. And this value stays the same. So answer should have to find the max prefix suffix sum suffix plus the total minus this one. So this DP approach is flawed, not good. Wasted a lot of time. So I want suffix sum actually. Sub n plus 5. '86. Nice. 2 minus 10 minus 11, 3 minus 10, 15, 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, switching 7, it becomes minus 7 minus 15 plus 10 minus 3 plus 11 plus 10 minus 2. Then switching 6. What did I thought before? Did I thought something was wrong? Flag got a 6. I got a 6. I got plus 2, so I do to 1, so minus 2. Then minus 2, then got do nothing, then 3, okay, 1, so minus 2, then minus 10, minus 11, at first 6, so minus 15, 10, 3, 11, 10 minus 2, okay, then 5, yeah, minus 10, minus 3, minus 11, minus 10, plus 2, then 4 is minus, so how am I doing it? Positive, and then I'm searching for negative value, got a negative value, then I'm searching for a positive value. Positive, it should be negative, yeah, plus 3 becomes plus 3, yeah, plus 3, yep, this should be operation. So I'm doing 6, from 6 it becomes minus 15 plus 10 minus 3 plus 11 plus 10 minus 2, then 5, from 5 minus 10 plus 3 minus 11 minus 10 plus 2, then from 4 minus 3 plus 11 plus 10 minus 2, then 3 minus 11 minus 10 plus 2, then 1, it becomes minus 2. So I get minus 2, minus 10, minus 11, minus 3, minus 10, minus 15. Then for 7 I switch once. If flag greater than 0, val equal to 1, val equal to 0. Cout inside out size. Total 6 operation. Yeah. 1, 3. Which one? 3 number, I guess. 1, 2, 3. This one. Yeah, I got 1, 3. 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 1, 3. For 1 I got minus 1. I got 3 for 3, 4 minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Then minus 1, 10. I got, yeah. Bro, discuss 2, 1, 2. Say out 1, 1. Why it got 1, 1? The flag got 1 somehow. If error of greater than 0 equal to 0. Yep, it will pass. So my standing will improve a little bit. Let's see my ranking. 2000. Little bit okay. So let's see D. You are given two array of positive integer a and b, both of length, and you will perform the following operation exactly n minus time. Let m be the let m be the current length of a and b. Note that the length will always be equal. Okay, select an integer I. Set S be the multiset of I to I plus I comma I plus 1 comma bi plus b plus 1. Okay, sort the element of S such that, okay, now replace with S ai plus 1 with S2 and b plus with S3. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, more formally, I don't want to read it. After performing all operation, there will be exactly one element remaining in both A and B. Determine the minimum value of A1 B1. Okay, let's see this test case. 2 4 5 1 3 6. Answer is 3. Okay, let's say I'm selecting this. So mid two values are important. I'm selecting this one, so obviously that 1 2 3 4. I got this two, so 2 3. It's gone. Actually best is removing these values, so 3 4 5 6. So got 3 and 4. Sorry, got 4 and 5. Then doing that, 1 2 3 4. I got 2 and 3. Maximum value of yeah. If I do the opposite, 1 2 3 4, I got 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Then I do again 2 3 5 6. I got 3 and 5. I'm confused. In the second example, 2 5 3 6 equal to 1 3 and 5. The answer is the minimum 3 5, which is 3. It can be proven that okay, I have to maximize it. Okay, 3 cannot, this value can never get more than 3. Still getting negative. Nice, really nice. Okay, positive 11. Good. So my goal is to make it maximize. Okay, let's think. I wanna have 3 no matter what. Okay, if I want to have 3, is it possible to have 3 and values are up to 2n? Let's see larger example. 7 5 4 8 4 6 7 8. Okay. If I march is to 7 8 will remain. 7 8 will remain. If I sort the whole array, what is gonna happen? 4 6 4 5 6 7 8. Answer can get that 6 and 7. I can always get 6 and 7. Okay. Four, 5. Those part is the problem. This is also problem. So 4 5 6 7. Those are problems. If I do some operation here, I can remove 4, so I can get 5 6 and 8 8, so 6 8. I want to make it, let's see another example. 3 6 12, 4 10 12, 2 3 2 7 8 9. Okay, there's if I sort the whole thing, 2 3 6 8 9, 2 3 4 6 8 9, 7 10 12. Yep. 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 12. Always getting 7 is possible. Okay, now I wanna maximize it somehow. Wanna go to this position. So less than 7 or 7, I have to remove them. Greater than 8, greater than 9, there is them. Those are them. Okay. If I do some operation here, if I do some operation here, I can get rid of 2. I'll get 3 6. If I do again operation here, I'll get again 3 6. If I do again operation, I'll get 4 6. Now I have 10 8 12 9. So 4 6 I'll get 6 8. If I do operation again, I'll get 8 9. Max pair. Nine 8 4 2 3 2. If I do some operation, obviously 2 is gonna get removed. I'm gonna have let's say my goal is 8. My goal is 8. I'll do operation for all the minimum value. Let's say my code is 4, all the smaller value. I'll get 2x one value and 8. Then from here I'll get 9, so 8 9. So from this position, so the position is more important. From here there is a value smaller. Sixteen can always be saved. Always be saved. Save. 17. 17 is always no. 17 it's saved. 18 is saving it. it can survive only one operation. They did some operation. I got a value mean and mean. Everything is smaller, so mean. 117, 116 and 14 here. So I have 17, I have 16, they'll destroy each other. I'll get 16 and then 14. Okay, let's say my goal is 16. One 17, 16y. They clash. After clashing, what happens? Multiset makes it really weird. Oh, multiset, okay. No, it's okay. Some value 17, 16, y. I have 17 and 16, answer is 16. But given answer is 14 somehow. Yep. If I do some operation here, they're gonna become, let's say, 1, 1, and I have 8, 17, 18. I'll get 1, 17. Did I wrote something wrong? Let's rewrite it again. 16, 1, 9, 12, 5, 18, 10, 10, 60, 14, 6, 7, 11, 12, 17, 18, 3, 70, 40, 1, 7, 11, 5, 70, 10, 10, 60. Oh, yeah, it does make sense why 16 is impossible. It becomes 170 and it becomes 116. If I merge them, I'll have the 1. So it's not possible. 14. Let's say this 14 and I have oh yeah, 14, 16, and I have a small value and a large value. So if I merge, obviously small value will be gone and I have large. I will have both values, these both values or the large value, yeah. So 1, it will create some value, so if I merge them up, I'm gonna have 116. If I merge them up, I'm gonna have 117. If I merge also them, I'm gonna have 116. Yep. So every extra amount of, yeah, that should be equal or greater. So let's say for 16, I get this 1, 2. I got 2. That's not good. I hope my solution will work. And equal to 185. So 385 is good enough. Still an hour left. I'll write the function later. S equal to, answer can be watch. Answer is okay, values start from 1 to equal to 2 if 2 into n plus 1. Equal to each and start equal to mid plus 1 else and equal to mid plus 1. Okay. Equal to 0 equal to n plus count equal to 0. if I have multiple, mm, yeah, those can be considered as separate entities. If air of, sorry, there should be two airs. So I'm saying if I have lesser value, it will gonna count the current, and if I find 1 and 0, okay, if your current count minus minus, if count greater than equal to 0, check another thing, but let's print it at first. Let's see. One, three, yeah. Then I got one, receive one. Discuss this one. I shouldn't get one actually. Okay, so for 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, 6. Okay. So 1, 3, 5. For 3 I got only 1. See out count. Okay, 1. Okay, 2. Okay, 3. Okay, 4. Minus 1. Minimum of a r of I comma b of I greater than 0, greater than x. Then count plus plus. See out current space count. Okay, I got current is 0, 1, then I got 0, then I got 2, count plus plus. Much. Something is wrong. Zero zero 1 0. Nice. Got 5. Got 5. It's obviously a little bit wrong, but 1 3. Okay, 6, it got 4, 14 each, so discuss 3, this one, it should be 8, it should be 6, I got 4, okay. Okay, for 6, 7 4 5 6 4 7 8 8, I got 4 5 4 8. Discuss 3 answers 6. A tree with notes fell from the sky along with initial empty set uh, as by the unlikely event. You do the following: n minus 1 time, let x be the leaf with maximum index, add x into s, select any leaf other than x and remove it from tree. Remember the number of distinct set as you can make. So very matters. Watch. Okay. Let's see. Eight is getting removed somehow. On the zero, it's getting removed in the second case. Max of JB greater than max of IN, min of JB less than X. Okay, it's really close. most probably it will gonna get y actually, because I'm actually not sure at all. Expect it. The main problem with this function, second function, this one. Okay, I'm done.